Hajime everybody. Thanks for coming back. Yeah, I've been a little bit, my computer apparently has completely died on me. So what has to happen now is we need to get a new drive. It was bound to happen because it is an older version, which was clearly the case. And part of the problem might have been that I sometimes would leave the computer on and then sometimes I'd turn it off. And obviously it was overworked. And so when you overwork the computer will obviously back out on you. So in the meantime, while we're getting all this together, I think what we're going to do is we're going to use the portable keyboard and then my Logic Pro, and we're going to go back into trying to work on other pieces while I figure this stuff out. Keyboard, piano-wise, we're going to, I'm going to just probably go into the theory side of things. Let's do this song. I'm sure you guys know this. Right? The reason why I'm bringing this up is because now that it's Christmas, we also know All I Want for Christmas is the same chord structure. There's some parts that are different. Okay? And it's in C major. The left hand, this is the right hand. diminished. And then C, you're just going to octave. F. Something real quick for Christmas. So thank you again for joining me. It was a real quick thing. I might put some of the notes in for you guys to see what I've done. It's in C major. It's, you know the song. I'm not going to say it. You know the song, what it is. And also, Mariah Carey just won an award or got like an emblem or some sort of certificate noting that she is like the queen of pop or the queen of Christmas or something like that here in DC. So she was just around the corner from where I am, which is great. And I thought, well, this is like the time to do it, because I'm sure on New Year's Eve she will be performing this piece, which will be absolutely amazing, as usual. She probably has been recently too. So you have to represent, you know, Mariah Carey is definitely, she got this down. And she was very smart to come up with this piece where it's so similar to a lot of the other songs that you find back in the 50s and the 60s to create something that brings everybody together. So those notes that she's used are very similar to a lot of the songs you find in older music, older pieces. I think that's why it's successful, is because it hits everybody of all ages on very different, and it's easy to remember. So successful songs are generally easy to remember. That's an easy song to remember. I don't have the music. I played that by ear again. I probably have it somewhere, but yeah. Once again, arigatou gozaimashita, matashita sayonara, and I hope you guys enjoyed a few moments of some piano. I have to wait until this computer now we're having more issues. So there's nothing I can do about this, but have a wonderful Christmas. And Christmas is next week, Monday, folks. Can you believe this? It's like coming right up. And yeah, it's gonna be interesting. I think she's still a little anxious about me holding her. She's a little bit of a wild child, not gonna lie. Merry Christmas from all of us. Brandon is at work at the moment, but it's a Merry Christmas from all of us. It's a Merry Christmas from all of us. Hi. He's a cuddler. He's a cuddler. He's a big cuddler. Loves to be cuddled. Yeah.